Hello idam kim here ke kamin tuang pu hi kamin pi pen thang chen tuang mo hi na hi 7 tech panena ong muang nya ding mo ko ma chat hi video pen introduction dan chini na ka background hi tech lam to ke sai zo na ka sang ka na te tom khadong gen no ming college kumni ka ma sai na to lai na computer science major la mo to kaman ki tak chang university as transfer ina computer science ma khoron ni chang khong kai na to khitak chang ka lunglun na pen hi cyber security lam u de adyak ethical hacking pen seven sama ma kai chang to lama ka major lai mo to hi na bachelor of science pen IT le information assurance focus hi cyber security lama man mo to hi na sang kaman tak chang sang ka lai bel IT support internship sem mo to jong no ma to khitak chang sang kaman tak chang pen software engineering sem mo to kaman khitak chang software engineering khit chang data analyst lam sem to khitak chang customer success design china data analyst lam ma hena hyang atom khat customer facing zare mo to hina to kasep khitak chang ina sales engineering sem mo to khitak chang ina technical account manager sem tu lai tak to pen kasep lai tak mo to hina adyak hi tech lam khong ase wen sa sang naw pangte zona sang naw sang ka se lo hi lam au lung lu te ading a pen tom khat sharing ong hi no mi joing mo to hi manina hi ka page pen like follow share na hi sakon la youtube zong om mo youtube ka bol na pen hi adyak Facebook video por khat te pen ahun amao limit mo ka chama ong delete sak khaleu YouTube panjo et kek chaina ding chian ka bol hina ka YouTube jong pen nana subscribe sak wo ma to hina tu ni ba hi video ba to za chang chini na ake ka kimuni ma lungnam ma mai